So the last type of pollutant that we talk about is something called particulate matter or particulate pollution. And it's like dust. And as I said, who knew it could be so dangerous? But it really is. Now, and I think your slide says something like size does matter. And interestingly, the smaller the particles, the more health risk there is associated with them. So when you measure, everything in science is in the metric system. So if we think of a meter, it's about the size of a yard, and then it's divided up into centimeters, and that's 1/100th of that meter, and then millimeters is 1/1000th of that meter stick, and then we have 1/1,000,000th of that meter, and it's a micrometer. And so when we talk about the size of the particles that are dangerous, they're very, very small. So the ones they worry about, we have two categories. We have the bigger category, which is very, very small, which is 10 microns, 10 millionths of a meter in length and smaller. And then 2.5, particulate matter 2.5, and that's 2.5 millionths of that meter stick. And so they cause obviously lung damage. In terms of pollution, the lung or air pollution is the most damaging to your health, but it causes a number of kinds of problems with your lungs. But if you're really, really small, it also can cause problems to your heart. You know why? It's because it's so small, it can pass from the air in your lungs into your circulatory system. And it gets circulated throughout your body, and it causes heart problems. So, and by the way, I mentioned that Pittsburgh has is on the list of having some of the worst air pollution. Particulate. That's the main problem that we have here. What can you do? I mean, just be aware of it. Okay. All right. So we're going to talk about, risk assessment next.